The sun burns the ground, and my eyes fill with sand as I scan this wasted land. Trace like thoughts inside a dream. Here's the path that led me to that place, yellow desert screen. My Shangri-La beneath the summer moon, I will return again. And the dust that floats high into when moving through sails across the sea of fear, with no provision but an open face, blowing the straight